Does Mailx send mail using an SMTP relay or does it directly connect to the target SMTP server? Suppose I send a mail using the following command. Then does Mailx first try to find out the SMTP server of my ISP for relaying the mail, or does it connect directly? Does it depend on whether my PC has a public IP address or it is behind a NAT? How do I check the settings of Mailx on my PC? How can I verify this using dump?
Mailx can use SMTP. Its configure file is /.mailx. One example is Mailx using Gmail's SMTP. The configure can even be in one command. If a normal SMTP server is used, it is much easier. See a detailed introduction here. You can also put these into Mailx's configuration file /.mailx.
Traditionally, Unix mail and derivatives, and many other Unix tools, use the /user/bin/sendmail interface, provided by almost all mail transfer agents, as Postfix, Exim, Courier, and of course Sendmail. That is, the mail program doesn't speak any network protocol, it feeds the message to Sendmail via STIN, and lets it handle actual delivery. This goes back to the days when some mail used SMTP, some used UART, some used Bitnet. Once a message is queued through Sendmail, then it handles actual message transmission, whether through SMTP or something else. Depending on configuration, it may either connect directly to the destination to, or relay mail through another host, also called a smart host. Direct connection is more common on servers, relay via smart host is more common on personal computers on home connections. Relaying through your Gmail or ISP/work email account is essential to avoid the blanket dynamic IP anti-spam filters. Some tools such as Smtp or Nullmailer are built specifically for home users and always use a relay host. These don't support receiving mail and are a lot lighter on resources. Other programs, mostly the user-friendly graphical clients such as Thunderbird or Outlook, always connect directly to a relay/smarthost SMTP server, again, usually Gmail or ISP/work SMTP server, which transmits the message on your behalf. Native SMTP support is present in Heirloom Mail, but not in the traditional BSD mail. The third method, connecting directly to recipient's server, is almost never used, and no MUA supports it. On personal computers, using it would cause your message to get rejected. A lot of spam is sent from infected home user IP addresses. From the Mail one-man page, description section, string options subsection.
There is an alternative without localmta like Sendmail/Postix. Debian package SSMTP. Info from RPM description. HTH. Stefan K.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.